Yeah, so as you can tell by the hood of the new car that we bought for the channel, it's been raining, dude, off and on, all freaking day. It was supposed to rain yesterday and it never did, so it saved it for Saturday, man. Yeah, we got a new car for the channel, and watch where you're freaking walking, bro. What's up? I'm not gonna show you guys quite yet because we're not gonna work on it for some time. I don't wanna focus my energy on anything other than the hatch and Max here and there. Until we at least have an engine in this car and the hatch is running, I don't even wanna start on that. But just know that I have something sit on the side, ready to go for whenever the hatch is done. So the channel's gonna be around for a while, dude. I don't want you guys thinking the hatch is gonna be done and Deadbeat Garage is gonna be gone, because it ain't gonna happen. Only hint I'll give you is that it's green and it's rear wheel drive from factory. We're not converting it. Yes, more hyperlapse standing videos. What can I say? There's a lot of standing in this shit. Guess what we got right now? A flash flood warning, brother. There's a flash flood warning right now. And of course it has to be on the day that I'm out here fucking painting, bro. Oh, it's crazy. It's crazy. Well, I'm gonna hurry up and get these primered and then move them over here underneath the porch. And hopefully it doesn't start raining.
Yes, adore you all of the time. I like to I like to I like to love you every day.
Alright, now I've told you guys this before, but in order to keep the dust out of whatever it is you're spraying, you either gotta spray inside of a booth, or you gotta basically get the whole entire world wet all at one time. Your choice. But I did get the entire backyard wet because we do keep getting these little gusts of wind for whatever reason, but hopefully I'll try to keep most of the dust out. I have a tack rag that I'm gonna go ahead and get all the stuck on dust off of the fenders, and then we'll be spraying, man. Kinda. Still need to do a little bit of wet sanding and buff them out because there's a couple little particles of dust here and there. Now I'm gonna set them on the car here in a moment just to get a kind of idea how they look and everything, but not yet. You have to wait a minute. I want to go back really quick to some of the footage I showed you guys from the machine shop in the last video.
Now we're getting ready to make our first cut. We're taking 15 thousandths out of it approximately. Here we go. We'll hopefully not blow this thing up too bad.
Dude, am I the only one who thought that whenever you get a block board, like it's a big ass drill bit that just I'm just kidding, dude. I knew it wasn't a drill bit, but I didn't know what it was that they used, man. So I thought that was really cool to see. That big ass honing machine right there. That does the job. Like this does the job of that.
So he'll run this for a little bit, and then he grabs the mic and he'll check it on sides, make sure everything's straight and true.
This little guy?
Make sure we don't go too big as we're going through it.
Look at all that fucking lubrication.
I've been really trying, baby, trying to hold back this feeling for so.
Oh, for real, the most impressive footage that Todd shared with us, I thought, was redecking the surface of the block, having the block decked. Like, just watching that, dude, it's so satisfying watching that thing going back and forth and seeing the low spots, bro. Those low spots, those are potential weak points where we could have blown a head gasket, you know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? That's the reason why it's really important to have your block decked. Like, especially if you're blowing head gaskets, dude. You take your head down, have it resurfaced. You want to have them check the block, bro, to make sure both surfaces are nice and flat. I don't know if you guys can see in that video, but there's definitely quite a few spots where it was pretty low, you know what I mean? He had to go over it a couple of times to get it nice and true, so.
So you kind of see the low spots where it doesn't hit.
What we're waiting for now is the entire rotating assembly. I gave them everything so they can be balanced. We're waiting for that to get finished. And then Todd personally invited me to come down with his engine builder. And dude, I'm probably gonna do a lot of it myself, but he's gonna be right there helping me and kind of showing me what's up, which is gonna be a super cool experience. I mean, I'm so grateful for that he offered that to me. I mean, not a lot of people do that kind of shit, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But it's really cool, man. You know what he said to me? He said because he likes the fact that everything on this car I've done myself, he doesn't see any reason why I shouldn't have my hands on the internals of the block too, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? So, that really means a lot, man. He's really helped me out tremendously. So, most certainly, if you guys need any kind of engine work done, and it doesn't have to be just Hondas, bro. Like I've seen he's got a lot of Mitsubishi stuff in there. He's got 2J stuff. He does a lot of LS's. Hell, he had an engine from a freaking Dodge Viper sitting in there, bro. Like, he does everything. So if you guys need any engine work and you're local around here in the Phoenix, Arizona in general, you know what I'm saying? I don't give a shit. Drive from Tucson to come see Todd. You know what I'm saying? All right, now what do you say, man? You want to move the car over a little bit and see what these fenders look like sitting on it? Huh? I know I do. Y'all are literally sitting on the new car. I be doing y'all dirty, huh? Alright, I'm gonna set these fenders on the car and then we'll do a little walk around and check them out. As far as the new car, it's gonna be a while before you guys see it, before I actually reveal it. So I wouldn't get too worked up about it, you know what I mean? If you want to leave some guesses as to what it is you think it is down in the comments section below, you can do that. I'll tell you right now, if you guess what it is, I'm not gonna say, oh, you're the winner. It's not gonna happen because it's gonna be a secret, bro. Then again, of course, if you guys absolutely want to see what it is, I guess let me know, and I don't know, maybe I'll just show it to you guys. And then, you know, I don't know, that takes away from the surprise, bro. You tell me what you want me to do, brother. You know what I'm saying?